Good day, class. Today, let's talk about Rondalia. Rondalia came from the Spanish word ronda, meaning serenade. The rondalia is an ensemble of stringed instruments played with a plectrum or pick. The stringed instruments are also known as plectrum instruments. It originated in medieval Spain, especially in Castile, Catalonia, Aragon, Murcia, and Valencia, but became most popular in Philippine music during 19th century. Sometimes, rondalia played with a percussion instrument like marimba and drums. Rondalla instruments in Spain. Some instruments used for the early rondalia were influenced by the Mozart musical instruments of the time, including the guitars, flute, and vihuelas. This is the picture of vihuelas. Mandolins, castanets, and tambourines were also used, and today a full range of instruments can be heard, such as the Mexican vihuela, violins, and cellos, marimbas, xylophones, harps, and timbales. Rondalla instruments in Spain, Mexico, and United States. Today, rondallas are more modern and expressive, using lyrics that are vibrant, yet still keep with the traditional theme of melancholy love and evening serenades. Currently, there are many groups in Spain. We have La Rondalla Sierra Almijara, La Rondalla de la Costera. In Mexico, we have La Rondalla de Saltillo, La Rondalla Voces del Corazon. In United States, we have La Rondalla del Sagrado Corazon de Richmond. Rondalla instruments in the Philippines. The rondalla was introduced in the Philippines when it was part of the Spanish East Indies. In the early Philippines, certain styles were adopted by the natives, especially guitar and bandurria used in the pandango, the jota, and the polka. The use of the term comparsa was common during that time. Comparsa means a group of singers, musicians, and dancers that take part in carnivals and other festivities in Spain and Latin America. However, during the American period in the Philippines, the term rondalla became more used. What are the different musical instruments of rondalla? The major Philippine rondalla instruments are the following: bandurria, octavina, laud, guitar, double bass or bajo de uñas. First, let's talk about bandurria. Bandurria is a 14-stringed pear-shaped lute with a round hole and played with a plectrum. This is the example of plectrum. And for your information, plectrum sometimes made of tortoise shell. Bandurria plays the main melody, and of course, it is considered as chordophone. Next, we have octavina. Octavina is a 14-string lute which is shaped like a guitar and played with a plectrum. Octavina plays a counter melody or harmony fill in for a rondalia, also a cordophone. Next, we have laud. Laud is a 14-string tear-shaped lute with F-shaped sound holes and played with a plectrum. Laud plays the alto part or counter melody in rondalia. It is bigger than the bandurria and also a cordophone. Double bass or bajo de uñas, a bass guitar which look like a big guitar and it's played by a plectrum. Of course, it is double bass so it plays the bass part. And also, it is considered as a cordophone. We have the guitar, a 6-stringed instrument played by strumming or plucking the strings. It plays the rhythm part in the rondalia and also a cordophone. Eight-piece Philippine ensembles typically have four bandurrias, one guitar, an octavina, a laud, and a double bass. Many groups are quite large, with 30 or 40 members, especially for important social events. A 30-piece ensemble usually has 16 bandurrias, 3 piccolo bandurrias, 3 guitars, 3 octavinas, 3 lauds, and 2 double basses. Of course, the number and type of percussion instruments can vary for any size of rondalia.